Two investors put $10,000 into an Ethereum ETF on the same day. Same Ethereum, same market, same returns. 10 years later, one of them has over $2,000 less. Not because the market went against them, because they picked the wrong fund. And millions of people are making that exact mistake right now. In July 2024, the US approved 8 Ethereum ETFs. These are funds that let you invest in real Ethereum through a normal brokerage account. No crypto wallet, no private keys, no sketchy exchange. Just buy it like a stock. But here's what most people miss. Every single one of these funds holds the same thing, real Ethereum. And over the past year, they all returned between 76 and 77%. Almost identical. The only thing that is different is how much each one charges you. That fee is the entire decision, and most people never even check it. The cheapest option right now is the Grayscale Ethereum Mini Trust, ticker ETH, at just 0.15% per year. On a $10,000 investment, that is $15 a year. If low cost is your only goal, this wins, and it is not close. Franklin Ethereum ETF, ticker ETH, charges 0.19%. Backed by Franklin Templeton, a company managing money since 1947. Coinbase holds the Ethereum. If you want a trusted name at a near-bottom price, this is it. VanEck, ticker ETHV, and Bitwise, ticker ETHW, both charge 0.20%. VanEck uses Gemini as its custodian. Bitwise uses Bank of New York Mellon, one of the oldest banks in the world. If you want a traditional bank standing behind your crypto, Bitwise is your answer. Now the two biggest names on this list. BlackRock iShares Ethereum Trust, ticker ETHA, charges 0.25%. BlackRock manages more money than any company on earth. Coinbase holds the Ethereum. When BlackRock enters a market, the market pays attention. If you want the biggest name with the deepest pockets behind your investment, this is the one. Fidelity Ethereum Fund, ticker FETH, also charges 0.25%. But Fidelity does something nobody else on this list does. They hold the Ethereum themselves, no outside company. Fidelity Digital Assets, built in 2019, handles everything from buying to storing. If you want one company responsible for every single step, Fidelity stands completely alone. Now, the one you need to stay away from. Grayscale Ethereum Trust, ticker ETHE, charges 2.5% per year. That is 16 times more than the cheapest fund on this list. On $10,000, that is $250 a year instead of $15. Over 10 years, that gap grows into thousands of dollars. Gone. For the exact same Ethereum sitting in a different account. Millions of investors still hold ETHE because it was the first Ethereum fund back in 2017, and they never checked whether something cheaper came along. That is not loyalty. That is habit costing real money. Futures-based Ethereum ETFs like ProShares charge around 1% and do not even hold real Ethereum. They track futures contracts, which are short-term bets on price. That means they cost more and follow Ethereum's price less accurately. Skip them entirely. If I had to pick one today, Franklin ETH at 0.19% gives you a trusted name, a low fee, and real Ethereum in a regulated fund. That is hard to beat. But every investor is different. This is not financial advice. All investments carry risk, including the risk of losing everything. If this saved you from a bad fee, subscribe and drop your pick below. Cheapest fee or biggest name? I want to know which one matters more to you.